Last week I found something very interesting. It's about dentistry, a profession built on trust, precision, and decades of expertise. And now technology is shaking it up. Honestly, it surprised me. Dentistry is one of those fields where human skill and patient care are at the core. Yet technology is stepping in, not to replace dentists, but to empower them. Apps are helping streamline operations, making care more accessible, and even helping clinics grow revenue. And the scale, it's huge. These apps are generating millions of dollars and growing faster than anyone expected. That's made me realize if tech can create this kind of impact in dentistry, then it can do the same in almost any industry. Here's the thing though, a lot of founders I talk to still feel their industry is too traditional, too offline, or too niche for apps to really make a difference. I can't tell you how many times I have heard, my business is different, people won't use an app for this, or that works in tech-first industries, not in ours. But dentistry proves the opposite. 5 apps in the US are showing us that even the most established professions can transform with the right tech. Here are some examples that really stood out to me. Dental monitoring. Patients track their braces progress with selfies analyzed by AI. Over 1 million patients already use it, bringing in more than $91 million annually. The revenue model, subscriptions from clinics. Overjet, AI that reads dental x-rays more accurately and faster. In 2023, they pulled in almost $30 million backed by $53 million in funding. Their model, SaaS subscriptions and insurer contracts. Boom Cloud helps clinics offer memberships like Netflix but for dental care. Some practices earn an extra $1 million a year from this model. The app earns from fees and a cut of transactions. Curve Dental, cloud-based practice management software. In 2024, they made $22.4 million with 69% year-over-year growth. Scaling with SaaS subscriptions and add-ons. Reshapes dental system. Powering digital workflows for crowns, implants, and prosthetics. Their model blends hardware sales, licenses, and subscriptions. See the pattern? These apps didn't just build cool tech. They solved real problems: remote monitoring, imaging delays, financing, clinic management, and digital prosthetics. And they grew with recurring revenue models like SaaS, subscriptions, and licensing. My big takeaway is this: If apps can reinvent something as trusted and established as dentistry, then no industry is too traditional for tech to make an impact. And the opportunity, it doesn't lie in being a coding genius. It lies in spotting the pain point, solving it smartly, and scaling it with the right model. So let me ask you, if you had the chance to build a custom app today, which problem in your industry would you solve first? Because sometimes the next big idea isn't hiding in Silicon Valley. It's hiding in the everyday problems your customers already face. If this story got you thinking, stick around. I share insights like these all the time for founders who want to grow with mobile apps. See you in the next video.